Hey guys, welcome back to Nanrobot. Today we will show you how to adjust the brake when your scooter brake is making unusual sounds. Different models have slightly different designs. To adjust the brake, follow the same steps for each model. Here we are using C1 as an example. If you notice that your scooter is making a weird rubbing sound like this, it may be your brake pad is touching the brake disc. We need to make an adjustment. First, use the Allen key to slightly loosen the two screws on each side of the caliper. Then, adjust the brake caliper sideways to a position that doesn't touch the brake disc. Move the pad closer to the brake disc, make it parallel, and align it with the brake disc. Next, tighten the screws, ensuring that your caliper doesn't move while you're tightening the screws. Achieving perfect adjustment will always involve some trial and error. If the above method still can't solve your problem, please contact the support team. The professional technicians there will provide you with solutions to ensure that your scooter can run normally. Hope this video will help you, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you in the next one.